How you doing? This is Sean McVay with Sean's Outdoor Adventures, and I've been putting this little series together of recipes, mainly with venison and things like that. But while we were on the map reading challenge this year, I also did another video on making mountain pies because it was in one of the early videos in my map reading challenge series, but not everyone has seen that. And they're really easy to make. I'll actually put a link if you need to get a mountain pie maker, the thing to cook it in. Put a link for it in the description section of this video. Hey, I was just doing the editing for this video and I have to interject real quick that if you don't have a mountain pie maker and you're looking to get one and you're not going to use the link in the description section, I strongly recommend using or getting a cast iron mountain pie maker as opposed to aluminum. Cast iron heats much more evenly and you get a better cook. Aluminum just gets real hot real fast and you can get the outside of whatever you're cooking burnt, the inside not cooked all the way. So look for cast iron as opposed to aluminum. But you can really do so many things. All you need is bread and then whatever you want in the middle. You can do eggs, you can do pizza mountain pies like what I'm going to show you in this video. You can do dessert ones like put cherry pie filling in there. Or you could make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and do that. Or ham and cheese and kind of toast it up. I mean, there's just so many options. It's a great, it's just a great little thing to take camping with you and enjoy it. So here, check out some of the footage. All right, so I'm gonna make this mountain pie, first one. And what I do is get some kind of a non-stick spray. This is just cheap stuff. Spray the mountain pie maker. So what I like to do is, because the sauce can kind of seep through the bread a little bit, I like to line the bread with, your goods, and then put the sauce on that kind of in the middle. All right.
Okay, so you got the pepperoni. Yes. I'm gonna go home and make these now.
They're pretty good.
It's already water. Dude, this looks pretty cool. I'm like hungry and I'm also delirious.
Yeah, that's. Hunger is the best spice. Get cheese everywhere. The raccoons are gonna come in tonight and love me for that.
Oh, this is like a perfect camp out type of food, huh?
Oh yeah, it is. I usually just use a spoon, that way I'm not like over pouring the sauce on, But I like me some sauce.
So these are your vegetables, man?
Yeah.
It's good.
Whole beans and peppers.
Good thing I don't eat vegetables.
You do not?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, good.
My fiance, she doesn't eat anything. Like, she literally beat bread.
There's a little clam
yeah,
there.
That's it.
That can be good. Throw it on the fire. Then you just set the mountain pie maker. I'm just using charcoal here, but you can do it on any kind of fire. And just give it a couple minutes really on each side.
Oh, great. These things are insane.
Yeah,
I usually just use these to lift it out.
All right, so great.
I'm just going to cut this in half and for two people that have an experience here.
Grab a.
How's that mountain pie?
Mountain pie is delicious. I'm going home and buying all this stuff to make it.
So easy and so good. I can't believe it.
You can definitely taste the thyme.
Steamy cherry mountain pie. Making a mess. It was good. Yummy, yummy. Good dessert.
What was I gonna say?
Well, folks, I want to thank you for tuning into this episode, and I hope you'll check out some of my other videos. Until next time, take care and God bless.